Loud noises from your Midea portable air conditioner often signal underlying issues that need prompt attention. Ignoring these sounds can lead to more significant damage and costly repairs. Start by identifying the specific type of noise. Rattling sounds could indicate loose parts or debris inside the unit. Whirring sounds may point to a fan motor problem. This type of noise often indicates issues with the motor bearings or fan assembly. Buzzing sounds could be due to blocked capacitor coils or compressor issues. These electrical components are critical for proper AC operation. Hissing or whistling sounds often indicate a refrigerant leak, which is a serious problem requiring immediate professional help. Other common noises include ramming sounds, which may indicate loose compressor parts or an unbalanced fan, and clicking sounds, which can be normal during startup, but problematic if continuous. Once you have identified the type of noise, always turn off and unplug the unit for safety before conducting any inspection. Safety should always be your first priority. When your Midea air conditioner starts making noise, there are several DIY fixes you can try before calling a technician. Let's start with the most common issue: loose components causing rattling sounds. A common cause of rattling is vibrating metal tubes inside the unit. Here's a proven fix using rubber adhesive tape to dampen the vibration between tubes. Fan blade issues are another common source of noise. Check that the blades are clean, unobstructed, and securely attached to prevent wobbling and rattling sounds. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing noise issues. Clean filters and coils regularly to ensure proper airflow and reduce strain on the system components. For Midea U-shaped air conditioners specifically, rattling noises can be caused by the fan picking up water droplets. A simple fix is to tilt the unit slightly backward to improve drainage. Some issues require professional attention. If the noise involves the compressor, refrigerant system, or electrical components, contact a qualified technician to avoid damage and maintain your warranty. For future purchases, consider dual-hose portable air conditioners. They typically run cooler, more efficiently, and with less noise compared to single-hose models.